Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to create multiple users on INFINIX Zero 40. So firstly go into the settings, now scroll to the very bottom and go into users and accounts, multiple users, enable it. Now tap on add a user. Next, you can create a nickname for this user if you would like to. Tap on done. And now to switch in between the users, you have to pull from the top of your screen to bottom, tap on this icon, and now you can select to which user you would like to log in. Let's select the newly created user, tap on it, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.